while you're going to advertise your product, you have to look at the 4 P's. Take for example, I'm baking a bread which I want to sell. This bread is a sliced bread. Sliced bread. Which is something like this. Now, this is the product itself. Then the price of the products could be something like maybe 100 rupees or rupee 100. That is, we have gotten the products, we have gotten the price of the products. And the next thing we are going to look at, this is P2 and this is P1, then P3, location of placement. The placement of the products is the P3. Maybe you are going to say located at number 6 Delhi Road, India, or whatever the address will be. This is the 3rd P. Then the 4th P, the entire advert here is what makes the 4th P. What are you going to do? We have 3 categories of promotion. We have publicity, public relations, and advertising. You are going to maybe print this on paper. You fix it around the corner of your hometown so that people will see and they will realize that there is a product that is existing. The second one is public relations. You send your kids. If you start a little bit, you don't have much capital to spend on adverts, you have to send your kids, you have to send your wife, you have to send the people you think they can reach people so that they will tell them about the products. Or it is even easy now that social media is around. You can design a banner with all the pieces, then you put it on social media. The social media platform can do the rest of the job for you. Now, after making this, your product is ready to be advertised. In the case of advertising, we have multimedia advertisement. You can advertise with photograph, you can advertise with audio, you can advertise with video. So gradually we are going to go into them one by one so that we understand how to do them practically. With this, I come to the end of this lecture until we meet another time. Thank you.